What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. So today we're going to be doing DoorDash. So we are going to be in Four Corners. I think that's considered Kissimmee, and we're going to see what we can do here. So if you haven't seen video 1 of this, go ahead, check out video number 1. It's going to be explaining what DoorDash is and how to sign up and do all those things. But today we are here. I have 2 special guests. I have Aiden. He's really attentive right now. And then I got my driver. Got my driver here, Megan.
Hi.
Now, the reason why Megan's driving is because we figured that it's a lot faster for her to drive to a spot while I go inside get someone's food. And so we can get to these places faster, because DoorDash is all about time. So it's 4 o'clock now, and let's turn this bad boy on. All right, guys, so we got an order for Hooters for $6.25. It's 4 miles away. I like to use the rule of thumb for more than $1 more for a mile. So that's what we're gonna do. So that we're on to the next one here. All right, guys, so I just made it to Hooters now, and let's see if Hooters has my food ready, because that's what it's all about. If the food is ready, I can do good time. All right, guys, so what you see here is the customer requested the food to be left at the door, so no contact delivery. So what DoorDash makes us do is that we have to take a picture of the order in front of the door that it was left in. I like to make sure that the number of the apartment is on the picture, and then I like to knock on the door so that they can get their food and they know, so it's not there for a long time. That, guys, is how you deliver an order. Well, guys, the DoorDash app had a glitch, which was messing up my time. I was getting orders, but I couldn't do them because the DoorDash app glitched. And then I got a Chipotle order for $5. Now, I usually don't do $5 orders, but literally it says that it's 795 yards away from Chipotle. We can do that, because remember, the rule of thumb is to get $1 more for every mile. So that's pretty good. It's gonna be like quick and easy. So we're gonna get this work. We're right now at Chipotle waiting for the order, while Megan is shopping on Amazon, wasting my money. So we just delivered that order. Now, I'm okay with the money, but I'm gonna talk about this laziness right here. This person works at a Target, and they ordered food from a Chipotle that was literally the other side of a plaza. Now, I'm gonna take his money, but it's just laziness. So, guys, the first hour is done. DoorDash failed me this hour. So I only made $11.25. Usually I try to go in the 3 to 4 orders an hour, but because of this glitch, it took off almost 20 minutes off my orders. So we're gonna see how this next hour goes. So from 5 to 6, we're gonna see. So, guys, it took a while. It took 30 minutes, but we got an order. We got an order for Bentons, and it was a good one too. It was a $10.52. So let's pick up this order here. All right, guys, this is another leave at the door order. So I'm doing the same thing, taking a picture. And this is a pro tip. Make sure that you don't leave the food in front of someone's door, where as soon as they open the door, they can't get their food. Another order in the books. That one was a good one. That one was a good one. Oh, look at this. This one was a good one. This was a good one. Because if you see right here, DoorDash paid me $3. It was peak pay. Peak pay, they gave me $2 extra because it was a busy time, supposedly. And then the customer tipped me $6. So I got $11. So that's not bad. So that is done here. And we were waiting for the next order. And it's pretty good. Megan is changing Aiden before we go on to the next one. So on to the next order. So this hour messed me up a little bit. So I only made $11 an hour, which is horrible. But I mean, let's see what the next hour brings. So today, in 2 hours, I made $22 an hour, which is not good. I mean, for doing nothing, it's not bad, but I've done better. So let's continue going on. So guys, this hour so far is pretty good. I got a $9 order at Taco Bell, and this is one of the orders where I got to use a red card. If you watch video 1, you'll see what the red card is about, and now I got to go inside there and order their food and pay for it with the red card for $9. I got another order for Burgerfi for $10, so it's not bad. Getting close to that $40 in 3 hours, so it's gonna be good. Oh my God! Dirt floor. Dirt floor. That's rough. Okay, where is it? 304. All right, guys. So this is another no contact order. You know, this is another pro tip. Always, when you walk up, always have your phone ready to take the picture, because it becomes real awkward once the customer, comes out, once you're trying to take the picture. So go ahead, have your phone ready before you go. So that way it's a picture and go. Have a good one. Well, guys, there it is. So this order was another $10 one, and that makes my day to $41.25. So that's a good day. Well, kinda. I mean, in 3 hours, I made $41 doing nothing but driving to places. So not bad. So me and Megan right now, we're probably gonna end the day, have some dinner, and thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, forget to comment, like the videos, and we'll see if we do another one tomorrow. Have a good one. So guys, I just delivered that order, and I forgot that the DoorDash app was still going to be on. So I forgot to turn it off. As soon as we turn out the neighborhood of this order that we just did, it beeps and it says we got an $11 order for a 7-Eleven. So me and Megan decided to take the order. I mean, we're right across the street from it, so guess we're gonna clear the day off, maybe $50. So it's gonna be a good one. So guys, it's the end of the road here. So me and Megan, we just finished up. We were on DoorDash for 3.8 hours. Put it right here. And we made $53.25. So in actual time that we were working, if you would average that, $53 divided by 3.8, that's roughly about $14 an hour. So that's pretty good. It's pretty good for just picking up 6 deliveries. So today was pretty good. But you gotta also realize, so I'm gonna tell you something. Now it all depends on how valuable your time is. For about 1 hour, me and Megan didn't get one order. And I think it was right after it glitched. So we stood in our car, hanging out, talking for about an hour, spending time together. So to us, that wasn't a waste. But to people that are trying to get money, maybe. But so in 4 hours, I made $53. If I kept it going, I can probably hit about $100, and that's $14 an hour, guys. I mean, for what I did, it's nothing, guys. I made 6 deliveries. I made $50. How many of you can go make $50 in 4 hours? Not a lot. That's why I think DoorDash is such an important app. Such an important app. I mean, this is how you can really make money here in Orlando and in Kissimmee. I think this is a valuable thing that somebody can use, that if you lost your job because of coronavirus, the whole thing, I mean, COVID-19 has messed up a lot of people's job situations. So I think that this is a perfect situation. So if you want more information, go ahead, watch video number 1, and I explain the whole process. And also continue watching, because I'm going to keep going to other areas here in Orlando that are going to be, so everybody can see where is it busy, where is it not busy, you know what, so we can start developing a pattern here. So if you want to sign up, my information is in the description. Go ahead and look for a description. I have a referral code there, and that referral code helps me help you, and you help me. So it puts us in a real good position to make money out here. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being a part of this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And see you next time, guys. After the last order, we got an alert saying that DoorDash was busy again. So me and Megan just decided to stay on. So after 7-Eleven order, we got another order, and it ended up being like an $8 order, but then the person tipped me more money than the order said. So then it ended up being a $12 order. So then after I dropped that one off, now I'm at Cornerstone waiting for another $8 order. So that'll put me at $65 for the day. So far we're doing good. And me and Megan decided that we're gonna stay off a little bit longer to see how much we can make. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so we just delivered that order, and I got too excited I didn't screenshot it, but they tipped me $10. So the whole order ended up being $13. So it was the $3 DoorDash pay and the $10 tip. So within this last hour, that just brought me to $25 an hour. So it's 9 o'clock now, and me and Megan probably gonna see if we get another order. If not, we're gonna finally have dinner. But so far I'm at $75 for the day. So it's pretty good. So we'll see if we get another order soon. So guys, it was 8:59. It's 9:03. We just got another order for Flippers Pizza, and it's gonna be an 850 order for 5 miles. So it's gonna be another good one. Hopefully it's gonna be more than 850. We'll see when we drop off. But we're on the way now. So that's gonna clear us almost at over $80. So it's gonna be good. So that was another $12 order. So the app, it said it was 850, but the order ended up being 12. So that was just another 12. I'm at $37 now. So me and Megan want to hit $100, but we're getting kind of hungry, so we're gonna see.
we'll see what happens.
So we got another order for Taco Bell. This is an $8.50 order, but all these $8.50 orders has been coming up as more. So we're gonna see, because especially we're going to Disney. We're dropping off at Disney Animal Kingdom. So we'll see. Now, after this order, I'm gonna be around 90 bucks. So depending on how big this order is if I hit my goal of 100 bucks. So we'll see. Hopefully, because he's at Disney, he decides to be magical and give me some more money. So we'll see. So guys, they didn't give me the magic. They only gave me a little bit. They only gave me a $5 tip, but we're gonna take it, because as soon as I just cleared it, I just got another one for 9 bucks. So we're gonna take that, and after that, we're done. We're done, babe. I already hit 100 bucks, and we're done. All right, we're done. I made it to El House here. This is gonna be another order here. So after this order, we're gonna clear it, but this order is gonna take forever. It's really busy here at El House, so it's gonna really mess up my time. But guys, I think I made it. So I'm gonna hit 100 bucks after this order, and you know what? I made 100 bucks in probably less than 6 hours. So this is how you make money in Orlando. So if you need any more info, you can always hit me up in the comments. You can always hit me up on Instagram if you have questions at apena24. It's in the description as well. And if you want to make money, this is how you can make money. Quick little buck. I can get into all the details if you want to get into the details. You know, how much money I spent on gas, which was barely nothing, because I have a great car on gas. So if you got any questions, hit me up. But thank you for watching this far. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for believing and watching this whole video till now. So subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching, guys. See you guys the next time.
A few moments later.
So guys, I know I was about to say goodbye, but we took a chance here and said, you know what, we're gonna drive to this restaurant that we wanted to go to, but if we get an order, we're gonna take it and, you know, keep going, and we're just gonna eat something else and not go to the restaurant we wanted to. So Jesus took the wheel and gave us a $14 order at Buffalo Wild Wings. So
McDonald's for dinner.
no, can't eat McDonald's, babe.
Oh. Salad from McDonald's for dinner.
I don't know what I'm eating, but guys, this is how you make money. So guys, the night is over. So I made a pretty good dime today. I'll have all the totals right over here. But it was a good night. So this is how you make money in Orlando, Florida. And I promise this is it. I'm not coming back to the video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Comment, like. If you have any questions, hit me up. Have a good one.